The Infinix Note 50 is an upcoming smartphone that has been making waves recently, especially after being spotted on the FCC certification website, hinting at an imminent global launch. Bearing the model number X6858, this device showcases a fresh design approach with flat edges, a premium finish, and an octagonal camera module that houses a quad camera setup along with an LED flash. The dimensions of the phone are reportedly 163.2mm x 74.4mm x 9mm, suggesting a relatively slim yet substantial build. In terms of connectivity, the Infinix Note 50 is expected to support GSM, WCDMA, 3G, LTE, 4G bands, and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, ensuring smooth and reliable network performance. One of the key highlights of the device is its fast charging capability, which is rumored to be up to 45W wired fast charging, similar to its predecessor, the Infinix Note 40. While specific details regarding the processor, display, and battery capacity are yet to be confirmed, it is speculated that the Note 50 series will continue the brand's trend of offering high refresh rate displays, possibly 120Hz AMOLED panels, ensuring a smooth and vibrant visual experience. Additionally, reports suggest that the series might include multiple variants, including the Infinix Note 50X, Note 50 Pro, and Note 50 Pro Plus 5G, catering to different price segments and user preferences. Given Infinix's track record of providing feature-rich smartphones at competitive prices, the Note 50 is expected to be an exciting addition to the mid-range smartphone market, particularly in regions like India, Africa, and Southeast Asia, where the brand has a strong presence. More official details regarding its specifications, price, and availability are likely to be revealed soon. If the leaks and rumors hold true, the Infinix Note 50 could be a strong contender in the affordable premium segment, offering powerful performance, a sleek design, and fast charging technology at an attractive price point.